It hit me, unpacking the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the English language to understand the intriguing phrase, "It hit me." By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use this phrase in various situations. Literal meaning. In the most basic sense, hit means to come into contact with something with force. If a ball hits you, it physically contacts you. Figurative meaning. When someone says, "It hit me," they usually don't mean that something physically contacted them. Instead, they're expressing a sudden realization, understanding, or emotional impact. It's as if the realization came suddenly and with force, like a ball unexpectedly thrown their way. 1. Sudden realization. I was looking at the old photos when it hit me that it's been 10 years since we graduated. 2. Meaning. The person suddenly realized how much time has passed since graduation. 3. Emotional impact. After the funeral, it hit me that I'd never see my grandfather again. 4. Meaning. The reality and emotions of the situation deeply affected the person. 5. Understanding a concept. I was struggling with the math problem, but then it hit me. 6. Meaning. The solution or understanding of the problem came to the person suddenly. 1. Recalling an experience. I was walking home when it hit me. I left my keys at the office. 2. Sharing insights. You know, it hit me the other day that happiness is truly an inside job. 3. Expressing emotion. When I saw the empty house, it hit me how much I miss the old days. Remember, the emphasis should be on the suddenness or forcefulness of the realization or emotion, capturing the essence of something hitting you unexpectedly. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It hit me." Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of its meaning and use, we hope you'll confidently incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, language is as much about conveying emotions as it is about stating facts. Keep learning and stay curious.